welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making this cute clip, as you can see. So with a fabric. So let's start with it. We need a piece of cloth for this, some Fevicol craft glue, then needle and thread, or you can use a glue gun also, and a circle thing to cut a circle from this fabric, and a scissor. Take any circular thing. I've taken a cap over here. So with this cap I'm going to trace a circle like this. Okay, so we need to draw 5 circles and cut 5 circles out of a cloth. Okay, so just grab a scissor and cut it. So I've already done this and my 5 pieces are ready. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my 5 pieces are already ready. So now just take one piece, any one piece first. So you need to take a needle like this and then start sewing from here like this. It's a simple thing to do, just to and fro motion of the needle like this, this. So we have started from here and we have to go round like this and come back here. So this is one petal is ready, as you can see. Now we will secure this. Cut the extra thread. So here one of the petal is ready, as you can see. Okay, like this we will do same thing with this also. 5 petals are ready, as you can see, and now I am going, with the help of a needle, I am going to sew it. Now I will be sticking this bead on this, so I will be using a glue gun to do that. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now at the back I will be sticking that alligator clip. So now with the help of the glue gun we will stick this at the back. So I will take my glue gun and just put this. And stick this. Just press it for some time and it's done. Okay. So here it is ready. The clip is ready. These are my two clips, as you can see. Okay, this was my earlier clip and this is a new one.